So good noon everyone. Welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty live analysis. Now, as we can see, yesterday Nifty basically gave on Friday a good breakout on the upside, and today, because of the last up move which came through, there was quite a bit of selling in the morning, and it came down into the important support zone, and from there again he's trying to revive on the upside. Now, seeing the dotted lines right over here, obviously it will create some pressure or some holding on Nifty at this juncture. We want to also try to see, can it basically give a clean breakout on the upside or not. So chances are less for clean breakout on the upside, and we can basically try to also see it from the dynamic OI point of view. But technical zone basically says that this zone from where the prior selling had happened, we can say this is the zone where another round of selling will take place. So even on Friday close, where it tried to zoom up but could not sustain, and then in the morning again selling coming in, clearly tells me that if the price goes around 15,800, we should look for selling. So 15,800 to 15,850, this zone will be a strong selling zone for Nifty. So what we need to now look out is the kind of fake up move which will take place, and then sharp reversal will come through from 15,800 area. So let him make a new high of the morning, and if it does that towards 18,820, 830, we can see sharp selling coming in towards the end of the day. So that is what we need to keep a tab and not go for the breakout trade in Nifty, because it is very clear it is kind of strong selling pressure right from morning, plus yesterday's close zone is also right over there. So all said and done, selling pressure is very high on Nifty at these higher juncture. सो निफ्टी में अगर आप पोजीशन बनाना चाहते हो तो सेलिंग के लिए फोकस करिए, क्योंकि कल का जो क्लोजिंग जोन था प्लस आज का मॉर्निंग में जो डॉटेड लाइंस आए हैं रेड कलर के, क्लियरली इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग सेलिंग प्रेशर इज देयर, और उस वजह से 15,800 के जोन में आप सेलिंग के लिए देख सकते हो. तो एक बार एक अपमूव आने दीजिए और वहां पे 15,800 में आप एक सेलिंग फ्लो पे डिफाइन स्ट्रक्चर अगर आए तो सेल के लिए फोकस कर सकते हैं. वेल, if you try to see the breakdown, or basically sorry, the downside on Nifty, there will be good support point or support zone happening over here. Let us try to use the dynamic OI, and this dynamic OI can basically give me an edge to understand whether there is strong support zone has been built on the lower end or not. Now this market is somewhere around 15,750, and let's try to see the OI format for 7th of July, which is your weekly expiry OTM option. We can see 15,700 is the huge OI zone and 15,800 is the huge resistance zone. So it is very clear that the support zone over here for Nifty is somewhere around 15,700. This area is a good support zone for Nifty. So if the downside comes in, there will be a sharp down move which will basically be present, and for that down move we can see somewhere around this zone will be a strong support area for Nifty. So 15,700 to 15,730, this zone will be critically strong support zone. So अगर आप निफ्टी को डाउन साइड मूव में भी देखोगे तो यहाँ पे 15,700 और 720 730 के जोन में काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट जोन है बेस्ड ऑन द डायनामिक ओआई. सो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट दी एक्सेस टू दिस टूल, आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है, तो उसको आप क्लिक करके डेमो सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हैं. मोर सो अगर आप देखोगे कि ये सिस्टम आपको डायनामिक लाइंस दे देता है, उससे ये पता चल जाता है कि ओआई में शार्प सेलिंग प्रेशर था राइट इन द मॉर्निंग. तो अगर आपको मॉर्निंग में भी सेल ट्रेड लेना होता तो वहां से आपको काफी अच्छा डाउनसाइड मूव भी देखने मिला निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में, और स्पेसिफिकली डायनामिक ओआई ने बेसिकली या डॉटेड लाइन ने बेसिकली आपको हेल्प कर दिया कि यहाँ पे आप सेलिंग के लिए फोकस करिए. Well, coming to the Bank Nifty side, and if you try to see, Bank Nifty has been strong in the previous session, and we can clearly see Bank Nifty has been rising all the way to the top on the yesterday's day, and he was trying to rise all the way above these zones of selling. Now we can see even today, even after the fall which came through because of the dotted line, again we can see he's trying to rise at the top, and there is selling pressure which is observed over at the top. So one thing can happen that the price can again go back up, but selling pressure is again there in Bank Nifty as well. So if I have to go out and check, Bank Nifty strong resistance zone is there at the higher end. So one thing is very much clear that okay, fine, strong selling area is there in Bank Nifty 2 at the higher end over here with dotted line. So we should basically look for selling in this area. Apart from this, 34,000 would be a very strong resistance zone, even if it kind of goes on the higher side, maybe today or tomorrow. If it goes into this 34,000 zone, we can look for selling. So आपको मोटा मोटी ये देखना है कि अगर बैंक निफ्टी यहाँ से रैली लेता है तो मोर और लेस नया हाई बनाएगा और फिर वहाँ से फिर से सेलिंग pressure will be high on Bank Nifty. So one thing is clear now, upside move is kind of difficult for Bank Nifty. Even if it comes in 33,900 और 850 ये जोन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस जोन रहेगा बैंक निफ्टी के लिए. अगर डायनामिक ओआई देखते हैं तो एक और चीज क्लियर हो जाएगी कि थ्रू डायनामिक ओआई are we able to get something important or not. So we can see that Bank Nifty is somewhere around 33,700, and if I see the dynamic OI of 7 July OTM option, 33,800 OI is there, but good support is there at 500, 600 and 700. So this is very, very important that good support is there and resistance is very high at 33,800. So that is why 33,800 का जो जोन है ये बहुत ही क्रिटिकल जोन है सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस का. Or downside, we can see that this zone from where today reversal has happened, this is a very strong support zone for Bank Nifty. So this is again very, very important support zone for Bank Nifty at the lower end. So we should look out for same way like how we said for Nifty, let him kind of travel on the upside and then make the double top over here, and then we look for selling. So we are trying to look for reversal bet on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So आपको reversal देखना है, अगर ये higher zone में sustain करता है तो वहां से एक selling pressure आ सकता है towards the end of the day. So Bank Nifty के लिए 33,800 to 850 zone or towards 39,000 zone, this zone is very, very critical, and plus we have got the dynamic dotted line which critically says that selling pressure यहाँ पे आपको देखने मिलेगा. Well, that's it for today from our side, and also make sure that you subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so you get the notification. And if you want to get access to this tool, description में link हमने दिया है, so using that link you can access the tool and the demo version is available for free. So kindly make use of it, and support staff is there to help you out if you have any queries. Fine. So thank you very much and meet you tomorrow.